Hi, I'm Tommy, a new project manager here at SC Build on Mercer Island. I'm hitting the ground running, getting involved in multiple projects at various phases of construction, meeting our clients, tuning into the design aesthetic of the company. Very excited to be part of the team and start being more involved in all of our projects. Projects aren't just born, they're sequenced. A lot of my role focuses on scheduling, subcontractor relations, and ensuring that our projects are designed to our build standards. We're standing here in this detached accessory dwelling unit, DADU, on Mercer Island. Very excited to be dried in. The rain just started. Drywall is up, and we are starting to polish the concrete floors. We're here today with our trade partner, Armorclad, who is starting to finish the concrete floors. Very nice to bring in a durable material that's often associated with the outdoors, bring it to life with a nice polish and a darker dye. They've been working through sanding with 40 and 80 grit, getting ready to move on to 150 and 200 grit. Then they'll be applying the densifier and onto stain with a dark charcoal stain, which will really bring out some depth and color to the concrete. It won't only look good, but we've embedded hydronic radiant floors throughout the concrete. It'll be the source of heat for this house.
My name is Andre Osuna. The company is PNW Insulation. We do a lot of custom building house, a lot of spray foam, closed cell spray foam. That's what we try to do the most, or custom insulation like Rockwool insulation, a lot for sound. So the reason why spray foam this ADU, especially on your concrete walls, it will help a lot to reduce the moisture that the concrete creates. So with closed cell spray foam, we can enclose, as you guys can see, everything 100%, and you're not gonna build no moisture at all. Usually the spray foam, each inch will equal to 7.4 per inch. And as we spray more, you're gonna get a lot more R value, meaning that you can go ahead and reduce everything, all the moisture on the walls or anything that can go ahead and get created on. So in this curved roof that we did on this house in here, the proper way, number one, to get it done, it was by using closed cell spray foam and Rockwool. The closed cell spray foam, that's because they have zero ventilation. So with spray foam, you don't need to have any ventilation. We can enclose the whole project 100% with spray foam insulation. And then the Rockwool insulation, that's gonna be for your sound dents as well too. It's a very, very good combination that a lot of custom houses are doing. They're combining 3 inches of spray foam or 2 inches of spray foam with Rockwool, and it performs really well compared to other insulations. Compared to fiberglass insulation, it doesn't have the same as the Rockwool insulation. Rockwool, it's 100% fireproof and waterproof and 98% dense as well for sound. So it will absorb all the noise 98%, especially on an R23 or an R30. That's what you're gonna go ahead and get 98% sound dense compared to fiberglass insulation. Fiberglass insulation is just a standard insulation that you can get sound out of it, but compared to Rockwool insulation, you're gonna get 40 compared to 98% of sound dense. Regular fiberglass has a lot of fibers, so it's a lot of glass. You guys are breathing that. Compared to the spray foam, 6 seconds after we are spraying, that foam is 100% cure. You guys are not gonna smell any fumes or anything like that. It takes 6 seconds for the spray foam to 100% cure, and 30 seconds after, the spray foam is gonna be 100% hard. This is the second project that we do together, and I definitely wanted to show you guys the spray foam, especially the spray foam side and the Rockwool side, just because we know how well they work, and we know that at the end of the day, you guys are gonna walk in here and you guys are gonna notice the difference right away with the spray foam, with the Rockwool, the temperature that the concrete brings compared to what it is now, even with all the windows that you guys have in here. It's very impressive, the differences between doing regular insulation with Rockwool and spray foam insulation as well.
Thank you for joining us in this episode of the SZ Build series. Looking forward to seeing you next time.